Hey everybody, happy Sunday. It is time for In the Kitchen with David. So you know what that means. We are going to highlight one of our items that we have coming up in the show. Happy Sunday. It is beautiful here. The weather is gorgeous. It's like, I don't know, 62 and sunny. How is it where you guys are? I feel like we've turned the corner. I feel like we have turned the corner and it is now time for some sunshine, for some warm weather. Ed and we actually sat outside yesterday for like a couple of hours and got some vitamin D. It was really, really exciting. Hey, Vicky, hello. Hi, Talisha. Oh, what a pretty name. How you guys doing? What's the weather like where you are? I know Lisa always says like, put an emoji. Is it a sunshine? Is it a cloud? Is it raining? No. What's going on where you are? We are having a beautiful weekend, which was not supposed to be. The weather peeps said that we were supposed to get a lot of rain. And now here we are. Hey, Penny. Hi, Nancy. Hi, Vicky. Here we are, and it's gorgeous. So I'll take it. That's fine. It's worse the other way around when you plan for sunshine and then it rains. Hey, Mary. Hey, Carrie. Hello. Hey, everybody who's jumping on. So good to see all of you. We had a jam-packed weekend. And it continues. We have dinnerware on in David's show today. I love our dinnerware. I know you guys love our dinnerware. But the price is going up and it's on 5-pay. So I think it's like $56 and change. I know, for 16 pieces. So 10.5-inch dinner plates, 8-inch salad or dessert plates, 18-ounce super cereal bowls, and then of course our chubby little belly. I love our 14-ounce mugs. Hey Denise, hey Angela. So if you've now gone through, I don't know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all of the holidays and decided that, you know what, this is crazy, I need absolutely more dinnerware, this is the time that you're going to want to pick this up. So love that we have Old World, we have Floral Lace, we have Polka Dot, but as I mentioned, the price and the 5-pay go up. Well, the 5-pay goes away. The price goes up at the end of the day. Hey, Tammy. Hey, Matthew, Angelo. Hey, everybody. Hi, Lisa. Hey, everybody. So I actually have our taupe floral lace right here. But I actually did like a fun little kind of brunchy spread, like perfect for Mother's Day. Tammy, I look amazing. You're so sweet. I actually didn't curl my hair today and just kind of did it straight, which makes me feel very insecure. So thank you for saying that. I usually have to have the big hair. Good morning, Megan. Hey, Jamie. I have to have the big hair. By the way, sidebar. Watched one of the most amazing movies last night. My Octopus Teacher. Have you guys heard about this? It's nominated for an Oscar. It's on the Flick. I think that's where we saw it, on Netflix. Ed's dad always used to say the Netflix. It's on the Netflix. And it's called My Octopus Teacher. It might also be on demand. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's about a movie producer or like a kind of, a filmmaker. Hello. Who like kind of just snaps and he needs a break from everything. And the only way he knows like to get a break is to go back to where he's from, which I think is in South Africa, and get into the water. Well, he goes into the water and there's this whole ecosystem underneath and he winds up befriending this octopus. I know it sounds like a little strange, but I will tell you, I laughed, I cried, and we loved it. So if you're looking for like a break from like everything, just the chaos that seems to be a lot, especially on TV. This is actually a really, really great movie. Why I just sidebarred onto that, I don't know, but I had a good cry, and it was great. And I love movies that make me feel like that. Hello, everyone. Hey, Jen. Oh, you love my blouse? It's actually like, there's a bunch of layers. You know what I love about it? It's Anthropologie old school, but I always think it's like super feminine and it makes me smile. Lisa's like, yeah, get to it. Here's the link, shop, stop talking about your blouse, stop talking about My Octopus Teacher. No, she's all about it. Oh, Angela, you saw it. Wasn't it awesome? Like, it's so fun. I've already sent the link like to Lisa. She's got to watch it. MC, he's got to watch it. My bestie, Amy. Like, it's just what the world needs right now. And by the way, I'm never going to have calamari again. I'm not. There, I said it, and I love it. But when you realize how brilliant octopi, and how human they are. Whew. Anywho, let's not get into that debate, okay? My husband and I have that debate quite frequently. Hey, Wanda. Hey, Kimberly. All right, so I love that movie too. Marie, I'm so glad everybody's watching it. It's phenomenal. All right, so look what we did here. Come with me. We just did like a cute little Mother's Day brunch situation where look how fun just having either the polka dot, remember Old World Floral Lace polka dot, love that. And there's 2 seasonal patterns. Like, so if you want Christmas dinnerware, don't wait. But we did like a fun little waffle board. We're going to do a whole board series. Get it? Board. And we did fruit salad. We did a little egg frittata. I should definitely take that saran wrap off of the jellies and jams before we go live. I mean, I'm just saying. We want more Star Stitch and firework. Oh, Karen. Just you wait. Tuesday is going to be a star-studded spangle banner event. By the way, if you want any accessories to match back with your dinnerware, completer sets, linens, our flowers and flames, head over to temp-tations.com because we put a whole container together to kind of complement what we're doing here with the dinnerware. So now you can have like the whole shoot and match, the whole, what are those expressions? I don't know. I'm in an interesting mood today. Liking that board. So fun, right? Any spoon rest, old world. Ooh, did you guys see that David has new spoon rests today? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Carmen, blessed day to you as well. All right, well, I'm going to get ready because we're going to go live soon. It's $56 and change for 16 pieces. I don't even know what that is per piece, but it's not a lot. Aw, thank you, Angela. She can't get enough of Temptations. Hi, Kathy. Hey, Bunny. Hey, Zandra, what a pretty name. Mug stand. Yes, we're working on getting ours back. I'm obsessed with this mug stand. Lise, thanks for dropping the link in. And now go have brunch and lunch with your husband. This girl, she's supposed to be out to brunchy lunch. Okay, good to see everybody. Kitten Caboodle, thank you. What did I say? Shooting match? Now I'm like in a Western. I'm in a Western in my floral, fluffy, fruffly frou-frou top. Shebang. I love it. You guys are awesome. The whole kit and caboodle. Yep, there you go. Jamie knows. I don't know. I'm obsessed with lobster. Oh no. Did she just say that? I did. I meant with the octopus teacher. All right, you guys, someone's got to rein me in, wrap me up. Lisa's not here to do that. So stay tuned. Head over to temp-tations.com. There's a container to complement all of your dinnerware. And then I'll be up with David in probably about a half an hour, around 12:45 Eastern. So if you want to see what colors and what we have left, including 2 seasonal, make sure you check in with us because the price is going up. This price is unbelievable, by the way. And the 5 easy pays, I think, only last until the end of today. So if you want to refresh your table, if you want to refresh your kitchen, I always say dinnerware is the best way to do that. And ours is beep, 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 super durable. You don't have to worry about it. All goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. Oh, yeah, that's right. Your fine china that goes in the oven up to 500 degrees goes in the dishwasher, the fridge, the freezer, and the microwave. Drop the mic. Love it. Everything you love about your stoneware now in your dinnerware as well. All right, everybody have a great afternoon. So thankful that you checked in with us. By the way, you loved the garden flags yesterday. Like we are down to like final quantities on those. Thank you guys. You're so fun. I love that you love decorating your indoor and outdoor space as much as I do. That's just gonna say it. And then Tuesday is a star-spangled event. I'm sure I could have come up with a better word. Extravaganza. There we go. All right, you guys, I'll see you in a little while. Somebody get the hook. Get her off of here. All right, have an awesome, awesome Sunday. Love you guys. Bye.